Did you know that a simple DIY garage door repair could turn into a dangerous disaster? Keep watching to find out why some fixes are best left to the pros. Garage doors rely on a complex system of springs, cables, and tracks to function smoothly. Over time, these components wear down, leading to common issues. One of the most frequent problems is broken springs. These high-tension springs lift and lower the door, and when they break, the door can become inoperable. Misaligned tracks can cause your garage door to get stuck or operate inefficiently. This often happens due to forceful impacts or general wear and tear. If your garage door opener isn't responding or makes strange noises, there could be issues with the wiring, sensor alignment, or motor. Frayed or broken lifting cables can prevent your garage door from functioning properly, posing a significant risk. High-tension springs can be deadly if mishandled. They are under immense pressure and can snap violently, causing severe injuries. Garage doors are extremely heavy, and if one falls unexpectedly during a DIY repair, it can cause significant damage or serious bodily harm. Electrical hazards are common with modern garage doors. A wrong move during a repair could lead to electrocution or a malfunctioning opener. For safety, efficiency, and peace of mind, always call a professional garage door technician. Protect your investment and ensure the safety of your family and property. We are located in Arlington. Call us for garage door repair.